In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a members area on Wix Studio to create an engaging and interactive experience for your website visitors. Whether you're looking to add a sense of community, offer exclusive content, or simply manage user accounts more efficiently, this feature will be a valuable addition to your site. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. To get started, you'll need to log into your Wix account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, locate and open the specific website where you'd like to add the members area. This is a straightforward process if you're accustomed to working on the Wix platform, but if you're new here, just find the website list after logging in and select the one you're focusing on today. With your website open, direct your attention to the left side of the Wix editor. Here, you'll find a menu with a variety of options. Look for the option labeled Add Elements. This is essentially the section where you can introduce new features and functionalities to your website. When you click on Add Elements, a menu will cascade down, presenting you with an array of possibilities of what you can add to your site. Next, you'll want to locate the Community option within this menu. Under Community, you'll find the Members Area option. The Members Area is where your website visitors will be able to log in, register, and access member-only content or features that you choose to offer. Click on Members Area to proceed to the next step. When you select the Members Area option, you'll notice a button or link that says Add to Site. Go ahead and click this, as this is what will enable the Members Area functionality on your website. By doing so, you're equipping your site with a secure login area where users can register, sign in, and engage with your content in a personalized way. Once you've clicked Add to Site, give the system a moment to integrate these new changes into your website. The process might take a minute or two, depending on the complexity of your website and your internet speed. Be patient here, as Wix does the hard work of adding this feature in the background. And just like that, once the process is complete, your website now comes equipped with a members area. This means users can log in, create accounts, manage their profiles, and enjoy any member-specific content or interactions you decide to provide. It's a great enhancement for building a thriving community around your brand or services. That wraps it up for today's tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow and, more importantly, beneficial to your website's growth and your online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.